All right, save functionality. Up, up, down, down, left, right, D, nothing happened. Excellent. The logs, looking good. What did we change? In the top level variables section, these are now uint8 array. It was a mistake to make them uint32s because they are byte arrays. Okay, top level helper functions. Down here, is it a fucking array? Yes, array UO8 means that it's a uint8 array. So if we put this in here, we need to return a 1 from this function if it is a uint8 array, or 0 if it is not. Then let's go down. In Filemob, in this Filemob error checkers function, we swapped out array.isArray for this helper function because it turns out that array.isArray does not work on typed arrays. We have some extra logging information right here because this is the error I was tripping. Then in this helper assert function, we also swapped out array.isArray for this helper. Scrolling down, this is what notified me as to where things were going wrong. This unique traceback message got me to this function call, got me to this function, and from there, I began my debugging. Let's scroll down a little bit. So inside of this UPNG encode section within the pixel array to binary array, so the encode section, right? Because we're taking the uncompressed data and turning it into a PNG binary file. We were looking at this, and I thought this function call was wrong. I did some logging and checking on this object to see what was going on, and then I realized that a typed array does not have a length property. It has a byte length property. So we fixed the bug in video 369 here, and let's scroll down to the next section. Return number of bytes used. I just expanded this section because I was tripping this B42 error. I've made the error message longer, and we're logging out some things that I wanted to check out, you know? So what was wrong with this? It turned out to be an undefined value. Okay, so here are our footnotes, and then here's what we did in this video. We got to get out of here. If you want a longer explanation, go here. You are on the longer playlist. You can get the source code here. You can email me here. With that said, like and subscribe.